Hello on YouTube. I am back. I'm right now on the Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. This is a view of what it looks like. So this load I was on was scheduled to deliver at 6 a.m. yesterday morning. As stated on one of my previous videos. I had problems with the tires that delayed me, as well as getting loaded in Atlanta. This map of the Riverwalk.
Right?
So they ended up bumping my appointment time up to 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. I told them it was not acceptable. They could not get me in before that. I got very vocal with the receiver. I called them this morning. I told them very point blank I was not coming in at 3 a.m. That I wanted it changed. I demanded that the appointment time be changed. They hung up on me because I got very loud with them. So then the broker called me a little while later, wanted to know why I called them. Well, I called them because nothing was getting done. I got very vocal with them, which is rare for me to do. I got hung up on. So I'm still waiting to hear back as to when they're going to change this appointment time to for being unloaded. I mean, this load has just turned into a debacle. I mean, I picked it up Monday. Tomorrow is Friday. It was only 900 something miles. I'm still on it after 5 days, and I'm just kind of wondering what I should do next. Should I just give up what I'm doing and go on to something else? I am just, every load anymore just seems to be totally a project to complete. I'm definitely getting opposition from somewhere. So I'm contemplating. My first step is going to be I'm probably not going to accept any more loads that involve an unflexible appointment time. To where if the slightest thing goes wrong, you're held up for days on end when you shouldn't be. So these are some concerns that I do have. Is God trying to lead me in another direction in my life? I'm contemplating that. I know I want to go on a long distance hike in the near future. Is this the time to just say forget this and move on to that? It's not like I don't have the resources right now to do it. I do have the resources. So those are some things I'm really wondering about. Should I just quit doing this now and just leave it up to God or Oversoul to take care of me from this point on? You know, we've been programmed to believe we have to work, we have to do this, we have to do that, and to not trust in God or Oversoul to provide for our needs. Is this all happening because I need to learn to trust more in Oversoul and God? Maybe I'm not trusting quite enough in it and too much in myself. I don't really know. I definitely do have the resources to do a long distance hike right now. You know, my concern is, am I not trusting enough in God? Just too many things have been happening lately with loads to cause me to take this all lightly. I've had load after load after load that I am getting seriously delayed on. This load that should have taken 3 days to complete is going to take at least 5, maybe 6, maybe more. I mean, I don't know when they're going to actually get me in. I refuse to go in at 3 a.m. I told them that. Told them I am not going to go in at 3 a.m. So now who knows when they're going to actually take me. It could be next week. I don't really know. And that's what I'm saying. These things have been happening too much lately, and it's causing me to think if I should just sell my truck and say, that's it, I'm done with this. I don't know. I'm only in the thinking about it stages right now. But my first step is going to be that I'm not accepting any more loads after this with an inflexible time delivery, and see what happens from here. If I continue to have problems, they continue to get worse, and I can start losing a lot of money, then yeah, I'm going to have to do something. But aside from that, I'm here. I'm enjoying myself on this river walk today. Again, I hope that, I shouldn't really use the word hope, but that's future. I just have to see how things play out here, figure out what I'm going to ultimately do with my life.